Hello everybody, I am back again with a new video and a new concept. I am Mahima. If you don't know me, do like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. Click the bell icon to Positive Vibes Only. Welcome back to Positive Vibes Only channel. Today the video is all about your confidence. Today the video is all about your confidence. Our confidence levels plays a very key role in our life. Our confidence levels plays a very key role in our life. Every work we do needs confidence. We always need confidence inside out to let us know what we are and to let others to know what we are. The confidence only let us to be ourselves. If you have a great peak of confidence, that will make you to achieve many wonders. That will really make a sense of your life and makes a sense of your things, what you do, of whatever you do. You needs to have confident levels. You needs to believe in yourself. That will give you a lot of difference and give you confidence. You needs to believe on what you do. You needs to give respect on yourself. You needs to believe on what you do. You needs to give respect on yourself, and also you needs to stay on your thinking, stay on your thoughts, stay on your ideas. This is the main point to have good confidence. That is, you needs to stay on your ideas. You needs to stay on your thoughts. Whenever you stay on your own thoughts, that will build confidence that you can do that. Your thoughts and your ideas are up to your level itself. Your IQ level, your brain thinking, your creativity thinking is everything up to your level. Whenever you stay on your thoughts, that will give you confidence, because simply to say, if I have an idea of making new things, create new things, I'll stay on it. If I stay on it, only then I can do the new things, create new things, create new things and teach others, right? That is the only way to gain confidence, as you need to stay on your ideas. That will really, I swear on it, you will really see some wonders. You will really see some wonders in your life. And also, you needs to teach yourself. You needs to teach yourself, then you'll gain confidence. Not others to teach you. If you done a mistake, if you needs to rectify it, you needs to teach it yourself. Whenever you start teaching yourself, only then you will start gaining your confidence automatically. That will create some pride inside you. That will build some type of feeling to you that you can do everything. Do whatever you think. If somebody come and teach you your mistakes, if somebody come and point out your mistakes, definitely you'll feel bad or not. Tell me. You will feel bad. You will. So what I say is, stay on your ideas. Staying on your ideas gives you confidence, builds you. Also, be a good teacher for yourself. Be a good teacher for yourself. Also, the confidence levels, how to show your confidence levels to others is, show your leadership qualities. Once you are very confident, you can be a leadership. You can do leadership to others. You can you can guide others. You can easily help others in their way. You can easily guide others because you are confident on yourself. Whenever only you are confident on yourself, you can help others. So you will need to show your confidence by your leadership qualities. Also, to show your confidence to others, you needs to speak out. You needs to speak out like an extrovert. Like an extrovert. You know why I use this word extrovert? You know, I think everyone knows what is extrovert and what is introvert. Introvert means The one who keeps their feelings inside and doesn't share anyone. But what is extrovert? The one who speaks out everything, which will not let them to hide their feelings inside. That is extrovert. So, to show your confidence, you needs to speak out. You needs to speak out. If you don't speak out and sit like some dumb and sit like some introvert fellow, how can others know that how confident you are, what you are? So you need to speak out like an extrovert, very fluently, very confidently, mainly very fluently in your particular language. It may be Telugu, it may be Hindi, it may be Marathi, it may be Punjabi, it may be English. So when you start speaking out with your own language very fluently to others without any gap. You mean, see, if I ask you something, some people, if I ask someone something, they need to answer it very quickly. If you take little gap, if you drag on it, if you start thinking like that, they'll think you are weak in that. So what I tells you today is speak out. Will help you to gain confidence. Will let others to know how confident or what you are. So confidence levels are very important. Confidence is very good in your life. Having confidence will let you to have your future vision, so that you can easily be a very nice person to have future vision before. See, some people are not confident. See, what I wanted to tell you a very clear example about your confidence levels today in this video, and I'll just wrap it up with this example. What is the example is, see, today our situation is very bad. We are suffering with some COVID-19 virus, like coronavirus. We are suffering with coronavirus. All over the world we are suffering with it. See, the people who are having immunity, not only immunity, are coming over the coronavirus. Not only just crossing that, they are able to have some confidence that they will get cured from it. That confidence inside their heart and their brain helping them to overcome that. I can simply say that only confidence without panic, only confidence is helping them to just overcome that virus. This is a great example for today in today's times. So what I tell with this video to everyone is to be confident, be what you are, and let everyone know what you are with your confidence. Your confidence will help you. Someday you'll know what you are. Once you look back someday in your life, you need to know what you are. You need to tell others what you are. Your confidence, only your confidence, your thinking, staying on your ideas can tell others what you are. The day on which day you can answer others who told very bad about you is the day when you're very confident enough to yourself. Thanks for giving me this. I am hopefully, very hopefully, I am doing videos in my YouTube channel with all your love and support. Thanks for giving me 55 subscribers. Thanks for today, and I'll be back with a new video again next week. So do like, share, comment, and let me know this video how it was. Click the bell icon. Do subscribe my channel. Positive vibes only. Do positive, be positive, think positive. Thank you guys.